Guys, in this video we will see how to fix error code 636. A device was removed, so enumeration must be restarted. Error PNP restart enumeration on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of error code, then here are the fixes. The first workaround is right click on a start button and choose device manager. Device manager window will now open. Here look for any problematic device driver having yellow color exclamation sign against it. If you found any problematic app, in my case no any such device driver found, right click on it and choose update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers. Apply this process to update all your problematic device driver through this method. Let the window complete the updating process, installing your drivers, updating your drivers, and thereafter close the windows and close the device manager windows and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on a start button and choose run. You may press Win plus R shortcut key to launch run dialog box and here type msdt.exe-id device diagnostic. This command will open hardware and devices troubleshoot. Click on OK and here troubleshoot and help prevent computer problems. Click on the link advanced and make the check against option apply repairs automatic and click on next. Hardware and devices troubleshoot process will start. It will not only detect the issue, fix them accordingly. Follow on screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process. It will take some time and once completed, check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. A pop-up window will open. Click on yes and in command prompt windows execute the command sfc scan now. sfc/scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files and repair them accordingly. Wait till 100% verification complete. After that, restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open control panel in your system. Here, from the available control panel items, choose recovery. And here, click on the link open system restore. Restore system files and settings page will open. System restore can help fix problems that might be making your computer run slowly or stop responding. Click on next and choose a system restore point. Restore your computer to the state it was in before the selected event. Choose a restore point under available restore point and click on next. And finally, confirm your restore point. Choose finish. Follow on screen instruction to complete the restore process. After that, your problem will definitely be resolved. That's all.